Yo.
Libya to pare sie no hu bio. Why also ye mo target ba o. Na em ya say what am say kada ko na ayala mi u ajuma we no so na ajuma na and me dey no fa. Aka me nya wa na ka omo me sa ka ma tag o ma ka ma mo so money. Me ani si mo ma dito ma tem da. O ko me Facebook ba kuma omo bro ko mu ni ti ma tem sa so be kume. O ti be kume mi ni de mo hu. Na ba am ya say na omo ka abi ga say ma bra be kan ko say and the same even more Ghana and send me back now. You can't be better, man.
I see.
I send me back now. You have 3 years. I send my phone. I said, Muslim, why am I from what you do? And I come over. I go be no over Israel. I come over that guy. You know what was that guy? Because police for no any for no na ya gira say and then na do mama ya say yo na do onye body yo me what say region me say me say body me am you know what say for subsidy yeah me I say when say I don't go me class and no dey go there also I am the no so na can do no ma send ma pio no ma pa send ma pio no I don't be me say video me say unique it be say so you say one and this what the and this cry and you will get na I want to see kala ki chewa yesi give me on say you better go put to mother can when you not calling and this for kana say for give me sa na kana for we mu obi obi na nado me mani free me who obi e take to ye and I say o ba do ye me mu bida
yeah and no crime brother me that's challenge good next time so now was free next time no was free view frustration here real I can last person na ye the adwuma na ba wie money na my idea say mutumi here then afraid in
people to even categorize you which time you be for no ye penny be A+ no ye penny Abraham no ye penny Captain Smart grandpa I've sent people on go nyi kaka no kwa no but no company was say cross obi a mom dem mpa na kwancha kana mu jimi no was say cross obi a ana obi aba no ye penny o twene je na so umi oba na o twa da sen ka odwen ho no o twu phone si so na wo de e wo kasa grandpa yen tin na waka okay can still be brain hu hia or that's so you guys just some of you just want to come live just to come and talk for people to watch you keke Charlie Ghana pa so Charlie the nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The munya sa man across Ghana hono. And then young guy be fafuna no ye Kufuor no ye ba o ye Mahama no ye way no ye NDC no ye NPP. Charlie, you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any business the government must fix the roads.
And then the training
the government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Chromo say you make America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and our companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now we start up something. Moment can be you among Ghana for good also. There's no country much to Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on by. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize no, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. So me say catch on certain biano. O me adi Murphy. So, and she saying so the munyai. Because my first year no ya pa but so and then the idea me say most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I only pass a Quran actually say menye pani bupani. I only say Bible actually say menye pani bupani. But because of politics in Timodi be bia politics be bia chimi say more politics be bia na abuse no Ghana, be bia na abuse no Africa. And I'm mama politics are Jimmy Musa youth amoba. When I'm saying we future generation, future leaders. Everything and what they call no. Obi for phone no ye penny. They just take their phones, they come live. Number live. Just it's very funny. They have people viewing, people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are something Jimmy Sam no. And then you are something Jimmy Sam no. Now o can you say man na kwase bia ba online. No no man kwase a comment. To say mo de Jimmy say ya Jimmy. If you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, "Bia, we school young, you know. Oh, ya banner, say, bibia ya buying. The cocan so saying to tell Butcher and Honey Casa, Yemetra Ghana. Jimmy Sam say, "Ya, now because we'll be to come America, has here, Nippon buy because of a hardship now." Some of us say, "Wow, you were Jimo Ghana Crawford. Yes, I'm so school. Yes, even though it's say no, we are citizens, so, but we don't plan to stay here." Ye plan say about town Ghana. Enti ade ensuan po no nye say ye ensuan ade bia e normal e common. Ye ensuan ne ebi ni Ghana ye ba ye tell bo man no. Ye be na mo ba kromo ase ya. Na mo ma say bia o say mo nyin Ghana ho biem. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again. You just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car be kwa kwatase. You don't plan to go school. You ba be remember mo go school mo sua hwe Jimmy Sam kwa Jimmy Sam. Na aka mo. Me say skebia sa allowance here, my first ladies, first and second lady. I did order that. And then, Madam Lodina Mahama or GB. Emma Becky, or also GB. And nobody can go and tell them so be a refund this cannot. And then more you guys should speak to your MPs to go and make sure that they will stand against the Constitution. Now I'm making amendments because the law provides that for them. Our Constitution says a mom allowances. And just say, so naive, that's what we need factor. Don't just take a phone and come and sell Ghana in a very bad way to people. Say, oh man, Ghana, no, leave this kind of mom here with Jimmy Sam. Yeah, my Mahama wife, and then by force, say, on refund this Kabia, what dear, what dear. Yeah, my Becky, or so in their call. I find, I got to me, a simple thing. Munya say Jimmy Sam na you no be phone na bibi kiti bi ba bibi kiti bi ba be na be first so na Jimmy Sam no kwasa sam kwa because if you guys suppose say there's freedom of speech, anybody can talk anyhow. Jimmy Sam say mun sua hwe Jimmy kwa na bibi na Jimmy eso dey no na manya company phobia say we think say they are so enlightened no almost support him in a very bad way. Captain Smart yeah, tell us also a freedom fighter. Monta where them come moment say. You guys call yourself freedom fighters. Monta say. Martin Luther King more somebody now some freedom fighters no.